Got our Skylight in the mail. We're gonna see if we can get it installed in the bus today.
Hey, we're Bryce and Rachel. We've been living in our self-converted off-grid schoolie for almost 3 years now, exploring the country and taking the road less traveled. We're all about the outdoors, hitting the trails, and discovering places off the beaten path. It's not always glamorous, but it's about pushing through, finding freedom on the road, and making this bus work for us no matter where we are. So if you're into honest, no-frills adventures, you're in the right place. Stick around and we'll show you what life on the road really looks like. All right, so a little backstory. We had a Skylight in our first bus. We had a green bus and we put a Skylight in to take out the, whatever it's called, the emergency exit hatch. And this is the exact same Skylight. So we're hoping it's the same hatch, right? So we measured and it seems like it'll work. So we're just gonna do the same thing we did in the first bus and take it out. And the reason we're taking it out is because it does not work. It hasn't worked in a while now. One morning it just started on and off, on and off, on and off, and we couldn't figure it out. So Bryce cut the cords or the wires, and we tried to like put them back together, and it just is done for. We think like something in it is not working anymore. It hasn't been working for a literal months.
We didn't use it very much in the first place. We have a exhaust fan in the back, and then that one is in the front, and we always use the back one and just open a front window because we have screens now, so it just works a little better anyways. And
I really think a Skylight will help give us like a lot more natural light in the bus, and we're planning on walling up the kitchen. Not that we use those windows anyways, but I think it'll just help brighten it up in there. So yeah, I'm excited. So that's the plan.
First things first, we gotta get this old thing out of here. With all these screws, and this little piece of trim will come out. You like the sticker? Some good seasoning. Wow.
Does it look weird?
Look how clean it was at one time.
Ew.
Inside trim is off. No! Kids are screaming. I think I'm gonna have to
giving you some right now.
Cut this and try again. All right. Might wait until I hit record to start talking. Got the inside trim out. I'm pretty sure the next step I have to go do this on the top, get the outside trim off, and then as you can see, this thing is almost falling apart as I'm taking it out. Gonna be a lot of cleanup on here.
I just want you guys to know that this fool is literally up on our roof taking the sunroof out, and we don't even have like tape or sealant or anything. So we're gonna get it out, and then we have to run to the hardware store really quick and get the stuff we need to put the sunroof in.
Cool. All the screws are out. Okay. Before I yank our fan and emergency exit out and have a big hole in the ceiling, I think we're gonna go to the hardware store first and get some butyl and some little bit of caulking just for security. So there we go.
We're getting everybody buckled up. We're loading up to go to a hardware store down the road, and we're going to get
some butyl and some caulking. I'm just This should be good with Butyl. I'm just gonna get the caulking.
To be safe.
This should be double shoot, I guess.
Yeah, we don't want to have to go up and caulk it again.
If they got some Henrys.
We'll see. I don't think they do. I feel like we went there and looked for Henry's already. Should we just go to Home Depot?
We'll stop and check it out on the way. Because I don't know if Home Depot will have the right Butyl tape. This place like specializes in trailers.
Okay.
So,
Maybe we do both.
yeah.
Okay.
Stay tuned.
Alrighty, we're going to Home Depot because they have Henry's there and we definitely need that for our roof. So that's the plan. And the other place is like the wrong way. So.
Our favorite place.
Oh, good, sis.
You should always return your cart, or you're a doucher.
Alright, we got the tape. We left Home Depot. We're headed back to our little RV park. And we're gonna get cranking on this. We're excited.
Got some good Henrys.
Henry's. That's the whole reason we went to Home Depot.
Yeah, Henrys is all I would put on my roof. Back, and this time before we start ripping stuff out, we actually have the stuff to put the new stuff back in, so let's get started. It's gonna be fun. Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
Daddy, you finally got it!
I know.
You're connected to a wire over here.
You cut him?
You want me to?
Yeah, right here.
I'm not gonna die, am I?
No.
Shut up.
Come on, you don't know how to hold scissors when you cut
I got the wrong hand.
scissors
Chill,
when you
don't
cut
be
stuff.
rude.
I'm not.
I got one hand. It's my left
Yeah.
hand.
Watch.
Yeah, it was your dominant
all how you hold
hand.
the scissors,
Good job,
baby.
bro. Good job. Congrats.
Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna redeem myself. Where do you want me to cut him? Right here? See, I can cut scissors. Or cut stuff with scissors.
Yeah, I'm
I just
impressed.
need my dominant hand.
I'm impressed.
This is garbage, right? Gosh. Ew, our kids are trying to eat and you're just throwing dirt all over them. Oh, yay! I think it's gonna be so cool.
Oh, yeah.
Nice and light in here. Give me all the
What?
sunshine.
Fancy. Fancy.
We have a problem.
We don't have the same size hole in this bus As we do in the last bus, apparently. So.
Okay, are we able to like make it work?
No, it's too small. Skylight is too small. So we're gonna go up here and see if we can figure something out. Make it work or something.
Cause she's a doozy. We would cut a hole in our roof and then buy the wrong size bed.
There's already a hole there.
Well, there was a hole there, but we made the hole a freaking hole of all holes. I think he can do it. I think it's gonna be a little wonky, but I think it'll work.
Good news, folks. I'm pretty sure I can make this work. You see, it's just barely too small with the lids. But I think we can make it work. Same as we did on the last bus.
Look at this light. It's got a blue tint on it right now. But I'm really excited. There's stuff falling on me. Bryce is putting it together, guys. I'm so pumped. So it was a little smaller than we anticipated, but I feel like this happened with our first one. We just don't remember, but we're gonna make it work. And look at this light. Like, oh my gosh, I'm freaking out about it. Perfect. We needed it. It was kind of like gloomy in here. I feel like it's still gloomy back there, but I'm afraid to get rid of that vent fan because it's still working. And we use it like if I'm hot at nighttime or whatever. It comes in handy really, really nicely. So this is so cool. Alright, we got all these screws in along the bottom ledge. Nice junk shot. But for real though, find me standing here in like all of our videos because I just love this lighting. It's so cool. We're going to take this out and put a wall up here, and that's going to be a game changer. And then we're gonna redo this, which is our pantry and our clothes. And yeah, and our shower pan is supposed to be here tomorrow, so keep your fingers crossed for that. We got one of our fender flares that we lost from the property. Hopefully Amazon hooks us up and sends the other one. I don't know what they're gonna do, but we need the driver's side still, and it said passenger and driver's side, so we'll see what happens. I guess somebody sent the wrong thing. But yeah, so we have bus projects happening and all the things and a new skylight. Ooh, ooh. So excited. So yeah, that's what's been going on, and this lighting is freaking killer. Like, look at it.
This is the finished product. Have to do a little hole patching for the old screw holes and the factory holes, but no big deal. Gonna close them up, send you downstairs.
Well, in case you missed it, I broke those while I was bringing them outside to clean them. But I think if we just put them back on there normal in the same screw holes, you'll never know. So, whatever. It's so much nicer in here with the skylight. It's all bright and fancy. And I really just love it. I feel like it's like a whole new bus. It brightened the, look at this. It brightened the vibe in here. And yeah, I'm really happy about it. Okay, we've come to the conclusion that the thing to cover this up needs to be trimmed down and it won't fit right now. So we're just gonna like either find a different solution or trim it down at another time. But as of right now, we are calling it quits. It's done, it's sealed. Well, did Stormy just turn on the vacuum?
Yeah.
Weird. Our dog just must have touched the thing on the vacuum and turned it on a little shop vac. But anyways, so we'll keep you posted on what happens with that. If it leaks when it rains or whatever, you might see it in another video. Hopefully everything's great and we have nothing to report.
It ain't gonna leak.
Bryce doesn't think it'll leak. And then whatever the hell we end up doing with this.
Throwing it in the trash.
Yeah, I don't know how we're gonna seal that so it doesn't look silly, but another worry for another day. So thanks for watching.
Got no hole in the roof no more.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Sunny said so too, and we'll see you next week.
First things first, camera gear. The camera.
Got it! Woo! I'm a really good catch, guys. I can catch almost anything. For real though, I'm a really good catch. I can't throw for shit, but I can catch. Watch out, my. Got it! Let me catch you, baby. Oh no, fell through the cracks in my fingers. I got 2 out of 3 though.